Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. While the whole market is pretty much moving sideways, there are a few exceptions and Mana wants to know it. Mana is one of these. In my video this morning I told you that it wasn't looking too bad for Mana. It was actually looking quite good because we did break out of this triangle pattern here, potential bull flag. I mentioned in my video that I thought this bull flag would be complete. I thought it before. But then it was extended and extended, so it has become a long bull flag, and we have broken out now, in my opinion. You can see that we are above the above this support level now, yeah, and that resistance now support. And I did mention it this morning that if we get above that, which was pretty much the $3 level this morning, then we should really see a nice breakout, and we do see that now. Now, I also said that we need to climb up the fib levels. I mentioned that we climbed above the, well, we found support at the 0.618 here, the golden pocket, which, as you might know, is the strongest fib level. Here, normally in a retracement, most prices get drawn into this fib level, yeah, the golden pocket, which in this case is 234. Yeah, now we are climbing up the fib level. We found support then above the 284 line, which is the 0.5 fib level, and now we are climbing up the ladder again because we have now actually even made it above the 335 level, which I mentioned this morning as well, which is the 0.382 fib level. Now we are currently just above it with 338, and the question is, do we now need to hold this as support? We now need to flip that former resistance as support by retesting it, and it looks currently like that we are doing it. So retesting that for support, and that would be amazing because then we find a new bottom. I would expect that we, from there, if we establish some support there, maybe have a bit of a consolidation before we continue to move on. But to be honest, also, nothing is impossible, but I would not expect another huge pump as we had here on the 30th of October. I mean, that was fueled by Facebook and Meta. Those news are gone now, Of course, they are still in the background, but they are gone now. So unless we see some sort of a huge announcement like that, I wouldn't expect another huge pump like that. But I think we are going to climb up from here if we can establish support here at the 335 level, because then we are climbing up the fib levels, finding new support at this important level. And currently it looks like we are doing it, and we can see that on shorter term time frames in a minute. The reason why I think, if we get support there, we have a bit of sideways consolidation is because we now get again into the overbought range on the RSI. So if you're overbought, always a bit of a, be careful. Don't FOMO in. But again, it's all up to you. No financial advice here. On the MACD as well, we are getting a buy signal again on the daily, which is quite powerful as well. So all of that coming together with a breakout out of that pattern. But we talked about it this morning, so jumping in now, it's up to you. It's unfortunately always it comes to people's attention when the breakout already happened. However, I did say as well that I expect a big future for Mana and Decentraland. The development is ongoing. They have a huge presence already in that market, and I think it will carry on as well. In the medium and long run, Mana will be there. It will stay there. That's my view. It is quite good. It is a successful project and a good project. So as you can see here, we found support above this 0.618 fib level. We're now on the 4-hour chart. What I want to see on the hourly, have we actually already retested it? And then, we can't really see that on the 1 hour yet. So I'd like to see the 1 hour, it's just broken above it. So I want to see the 1 hour close above this 335 level. Then ideally also the 4-hour close, and then it gets more and more probable that we will stay in that above that level. I guess we might see a retest if I go to the lower time frames, not even the 30 minutes, so it really just happened. Maybe we just continue out from here. There was a bit of a retest, you can see it on the 5-minute chart. There was a retest, and maybe now we continue up. It looks like that, but it's only the 5-minute chart. So the higher the time frame, the more meaningful it is. But you can see the volume here. So it is highly interesting. Metaverses will be there in the future. I think Mana Decentraland, an interesting project anyway. We have finally broken out of that pattern. That's my view. We've also broken out of that horizontal here, the 0.382 fib level at 335. So it's looking all good at the moment. So hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.